Today we'll be doing a U-part wig install with some leave out. This is going to be so quick, so simple, and so easy. And I'm going to show you how you can go from this U section, and I just braided everything in 10 freaking minutes. Like, it is unbelievable how fast you can do this. It does have 3 clips towards the top and clips at the bottom, as well as the little stretchy. So for starters, I'm just going to go ahead and slide that comb right underneath her braids, and I'm going to start by clicking that center clip, and then I'm going to work my way to the side and clip that clip on. And it's the type of clip that you bend inwards to open, and then you snap it the opposite direction to lock it. And it is really just that simple, and like I said, just that quick. She has a full weave on her head, and all we have to do now is her leave out. So for the leave out today, I will be using just some heat protectant from Fantasia's Heat Protectant, and I will be using my Beautiful Hustler Glam Wax Stick, and her leave out is natural, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I just go ahead and press that leave out and get it nice and bone straight. And that will pretty much finish this quick and easy U-part wig install. Yeah, it was very simple, as you can see. You can do this on yourself. It's very easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and thank you guys for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. See you next time.